Yo, what's good, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today's just gonna be a quick one for you guys. I'm just gonna show you three tips on how you can improve your selfie game or self-portrait or whatever you want to call it. So there's not much to it, so let's just hop into the video and I'll show you the behind the scenes of how I created each photo. So sweet, let's get into it. Okay, cool. So for the first one, I'm just gonna call it maybe moody photos or whatever, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna take hard shadows, like I'll show you in a minute. On my bed there's like these lights coming through, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna lay in front of them or something just to get some contrast into my face and maybe take a selfie or something like that, and then we can see how it goes from there. So let's just hop into it. I'm just gonna take the photo, show you a small video of how I took it, and then let's talk about it. Okay, cool. So there you have it, guys. That's number one done. So I'm just gonna pop the photo up right here now, and then you can see what you think about that. That's basically the best I could do at that moment because the light was very hard, but I think it came out pretty cool. So let me down below what you think about that photo, and then let's get into number two. And number two, I don't really have a name for this thing, but it's like action photo. So what we're gonna do is maybe take an object and throw it into the air and then catch a moment where it's like floating or levitating above us or something like that. So let's see how that one goes. I hope that one goes better, but I'm still going to use the bed as like the main set for all of these things. And yeah, hope this one is awesome. Alright, so that's number two for you guys. Like the first one, just tell me what you think about it and maybe what you could have done different. But now on for the last one, number three, boys. This one we're just gonna use like a photo. Oh, not a photo, what am I talking about? We're gonna take a photo, but we're gonna use like an object as the main focal point of the image, with you just in the background or something. So basically what it is, maybe if I take like a sneaker and I'm just gonna point it into the camera with you in the background or something like that. So let's see how that one goes, and I'll see you again now. Boom, there you have it, guys. That one actually went quite well. I think that one was the best of the whole day. That one probably would be my favorite, so let me just pop that image up here and tell me what you think. So that's it from me, guys. Let me just post all three photos here on the screen so you can have a look at all three of them, and then I hope you enjoyed that short little behind the scenes of how I take self-portraits, or just something that if I want to make it more interesting. So I hope you enjoyed that. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and even leave a comment down below what you think of it and would you try one of these. So awesome. See you in the next one.